Namaste student, I am Lakshmi Jangid, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Faculty of Law and Governance, Department of Management and Commerce. So today our topic is a need to understand human behavior. So it is very essential to understand human behavior in today's world, as the existence of the organization depends on the employee itself or individual itself. So without understanding human behavior, it is very difficult to work in the organization. In order to understand human behavior, let us see how the perception of human being has changed from time to time. So in all organizations are composed of individuals with different personality, attitude, value, perception, what motives, aspirations and abilities. The main reason to understand behavior is that individuals are different. No two individuals are similar. In the early studies, theories of organization and management treated people as though they were the same. So, scientifically, management was based on the similarities among workers, not the differences. In contrast, modern theories of human behavior are based upon the differences among people and how those differences can affect the organization. So, individual differences are many. For the example, some employees are motivated towards their work and some are not. So, this can be due to several reasons, can be known by further reading the units. So before we proceed to understand human behavior, it is better to know what the terms behavior means. Behavior can be defined as a reasons which is observed directly or indirectly. So direct observation is possible by studying the responses of people to work environment. Indirect observation are decisions making process and attitudes in terms of results or how people describe them verbally. So human behavior is very much unpredictable. In behavior we can assume one set patterns of behavior. So caused behavior, motivated behavior, goal oriented behavior. From those observation it can be understand that behavior is dependent factor. By understanding behavior, one can predict, direct change and control behavior of individual or group. So there are the generally four basic assumptions regarding nature of people. Individual differences is a wholly a person. So we can motivate the value of a person's itself. In an organizational setup, it is essential for managers to understand behavior, as they are constantly with people, interacting with them in a term of communication or in a term of work towards their organization. So there are the differences of individuals. We can take it. Each person has a unique combination of characteristics. Some of these characteristics are present from birth, other developed by just like they growing time to time. This can be called an inherited and learned characteristics, although there are some inherited. For example, age, sex, race, education, ability, psychological factors are less observable. They are mental characteristics and attributes such as value, attitude, personality, aptitude, the affect behavior through complex psychological process. These are studied in the subsequent units. A whole person and an individual caused behavior like a motivation, value of the person. People have to be treated with the respect and in individually. They cannot be treated like a machine, as a how scientific management used to treat them. So if one accept the fact, the human skill developed in necessary by the managers, and they can achieve the goal in the organization itself. Hope you understand what are the needs of human behavior. They have to treat the working with the others in the ego is present and in one itself behavior. Human needs a value. Human needs equality, determined behavior for the organization. Thank you. Hope you understand this video. If you have any query regarding this, how to need to understand the human behavior, you can ask me anytime in comment box. Stay home, stay safe.